Hi, this is Joe Kempe with the iPod Repair Clinic. I've been repairing iPods since 2003. Today we're going to be showing you how to change an LCD in an iPod video. It's very, very common that the pixels start to form. Pixels get damaged either by a bloated battery or by dropping them. So on this particular iPod, if you want to look at this really quick, you can see how the pixels have been damaged through the middle of the iPod, and I'm going to show you how to replace the LCD. Pretty simple. Okay, the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to open up the iPod, and to do that we use a spudger tool and a screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is just insert the screwdriver in the very corner, and with a spudger you're going to work yourself around very simply, just kind of opening it up very gently. You're going to come around the other side, do the same thing, very gently. Okay, once you have it open, just be gentle. You pull it up nicely and you pull the battery cable straight out of the terminal. Do not touch the battery terminal. You will break it. So don't lift up the tension bar on the battery terminal. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is remove the bumpers, and we're going to remove the hard drive just to make it easy on myself, and we're going to remove the cable for the headphone jack. So as you see, I don't like to work with any cables around me. I just want to work with the LCD right now. Okay, 6 screws on the side we're going to take off. And I happen to have the identical LCD right here. You can see they're identical, and I'll be installing the new LCD. Once you take off the 6 screws, you're going to release the LCD cable. Take a little tiny screwdriver and pry up this LCD. Now be very careful not to be too aggressive. You're just going to go on each side very gently and just ease it up. Once you have it up, you go underneath the LCD and pick it up straight. Okay, then you come around the other way and you push down and you pull it up. This particular one was a little glued in there, which is fine because we released it. Yeah, this guy is going to be a little tough. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to use a little heat gun. Can you stop the video? What I'm going to do, because the LCD is stuck onto the back of the face, I'm going to use a little hair dryer. Because I don't want to destroy the LCD. I may need it for test purposes. And then you just kind of ease it up. And there you go. Came right out. And that's the LCD right there. What you're going to do is take the new LCD, put it inside the frame, and then introduce the face. Kind of lock it in there, make sure the LCD is nice and well positioned. You're going to insert the flex cable into its socket, close the tension bar, and then we're going to reassemble right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is introduce put the hard drive back, and then lock it down. No tools. Put the headphone jack in, kind of straighten it out a little bit, make it easy on yourself. Introduce it back into its socket. A little tricky. Insert it all the way, close the door with your finger, no tools. Put your bumpers back. And what we're going to do now is just test it before we clip it closed. So what we want to do then is use our finger, press down on the battery tab. Make sure it goes in all the way. I did not touch the tension bar. And here we see it's waking up already. I'm going to make sure that there's no pixel damage. There we go. There's no pixel damage now. Now this is merely a cosmetic defect. It's not a functional defect. You can still use the iPod with some pixel damage. It's just annoying if you want to watch a video or something, or you want to see the artwork. But as you can see right now, it's perfect. All right. Thank you very much for coming to another one of our repair videos, and I look forward to seeing you at the next.